Hi everyone, here I am going to discuss about mean of a frequency distribution. Actually, mean is a major part of measures of location in descriptive statistics. Generally, mean is the average value and mean locates the center of a distribution of values. Here, there are several types of mean. The first one is arithmetic mean. It is the sum of all observed values divided by the total number of observations. The second one is trimmed mean. Third one is weighted mean. Fourth one is geometric mean. And the final one is harmonic mean. Here I am going to discuss about mean of ungrouped data. This is an example for ungrouped data. And you can obtain the mean like this. First, you should multiply this value and this frequency value and add it to the second column multiplication value. Likewise, you can obtain the final answer. Final answer is 3.5. Next, I am going to discuss about mean of group data. I have given one example here. The example says the speed to the nearest mile per hour of 100 vehicles passing a checkpoint were recorded and are grouped in the table given below. And estimate the mean of the distribution. For that, first, you should find the class boundaries. I have discussed about class boundaries previous lesson. Next, we should find the midpoint value. We can find midpoint value by adding two class boundaries values, that is lower class boundary and upper class boundary value, and divided it by 2. Then you can obtain the midpoint value. The next one is the frequency column. Next, we should multiply midpoint value by frequency value. Finally, you can obtain the mean. This is the final answer. And here I am going to discuss about a special method to find the mean of grouped data. It is coding method. Here we are using an assumed mean. It is from midpoint values. This is the equation for the mean a plus wc y bar. X bar is the mean of original variable, a is assumed mean, wc is class width, y bar is mean value of calculated new values of y. To find this y, we can use this equation. Here a is that assumed mean. Assumed mean is one of the midpoint values. Here you can see the speed column, class boundaries, and frequency column. Next, midpoint column. Here I have assumed 33 as a, that is my assumed mean. Here I have found y values also. Next, I have multiplied this fi value and these y values. That is because we want to find y bar. To find y bar, we know the equation is sigma fi yi divided by sigma fi. We know sigma fi value is 100 and here sigma fi yi value is minus 70. Then we can find y bar value. Here y bar value is minus 0.7. Next, we have to substitute this y bar value to this equation. We know here WZ is 5. That is, the here class width is 5. I have assumed here 33 as my assumed mean. Therefore, A value is 33, next WC value is 5, y bar is minus 0.7. After solving this equation, I can find the x bar value. X bar value is 29.5. That's all about mean. Thank you very much. We'll see you again with a new lesson.